This is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Today, going to cover a few of the weekly calls and technical alerts from some of the top movers of the day. Twitter, one of the heavy movers of the day, it almost moved as high as 7% today. This big bullish candle here, it all started here when the stock started to find support here, right on this line. I had this post in my public account back on this day. If you are my follower, you did find this. There was a trend support was developing, and then it went for a huge move. Also, from at this point here on 8, I mean 2 days ago, I started to flag weekly calls accumulation. So it's not like randomly we come out and then we claim we did see weekly calls. We always provide proofs, and there are hundreds of alerts in our stream. You can verify the accuracy of our alerts and calls in real time. So if you are a stock tweet follower, look at here. December 8 at 1:46 p.m. I said Twitter weekly 24-25 calls active, and then it went for a massive move. On that day, weekly calls has gone like the stock was up 1.3% on December 8, and even on that day, if you on this day here, it went massive move, and plus it was up like nicely weekly. If you traded weekly here, even on that day, it was 120%. Yeah, today it exploded 200% and plus. Anyone held these calls here, they just nailed it. It's amazing how you can make big moves, and the accuracy of our weekly options flow, it's coming well, really well. Another top mover of yesterday, I just wanted to touch this one as well. The big move was this one, the merger and acquisition, Dow Chemicals. Here on this day, the stock moved up almost 11%. It was here, and today it did pull back a bit on this candle, but this green candle, there was big calls volume accumulation. This is what our premium members gets. Look at it. This is what we flagged right here. If you go here, we did flag this one at 9:57 of October 8. I just want to click on that. You will see this alert. It went to our premium members on 8 at in the morning. Even on that day, the stock opened, Dow Jones, it opened at low on the 8, and it opened in the middles here. So it was some sort of resistance at this level, pulled back, and then the news came in for sure from this huge calls volume, 13,000 plus. They have at least made millions. There was an article in one of major journals that someone made millions from this merger and acquisition news from that 11% move. Another top mover of the day was today WFM. WFM is just amazing. Look what happened right at open here at this point, at the low of the candle, low around 360. They started to buy calls volume. I just want to show you as a proof how our premium members just all get all the alerts right at the open. Look at this. This is all from today. Look at here. Also, I would like to cover at almost 10 hours ago here. Look at this. As I click here, 9:36 a.m. I said weekly call wires. Even giving the details, it's too late because weekly calls, it moves too quickly. Look at how it happened. This thing was up as high as 3% plus today, and this calls has exploded all over 100% and plus. Weekly calls, they make quick money here. Another one I want to cover for our premium folks, this is what our premium members get, the quality. This one was up over $2, and so right at open here, look what was my alert from at open, before open. At 9:28 a.m. I said our members, December 31st, 182.5 calls, 3,500 calls were added yesterday. And then this was the call block alert for our members, but we always give extra to our members. There was a technical alert as well. Look at here, right after, at what time? At 9:37 at open, I said the Goldman Sachs day low support. So they got both alerts. I mean, options flow plus the chart alert, the accuracy, and then it made nice move here. So it did work out pretty well today again. At the same time, there was calls volume in almost in financial to financial. Look at this. At open, although this turned out to be a red candle, right at the day low around 52.17, see we saw call volume, Citibank, and it did hit resistance around here. Look at here. I think the alert was somewhere here. See weekly call buyers at low. So this is what our members they'll do, like short-term play, and immediately this thing started to move and made a huge move here. So at the end of the day, WFM just going to recover. And then there was more call volume. Total 18,000 calls traded versus 1,800 put. And then the stock went up 3%, and this turned out to be a nice big mover. So another big one I am following. I just had a post earlier. UTX, it's moving higher after hour. I just want to show you in 5 minutes. They had some analyst meeting, so it did close around 94. Now I think it's up. Right now it's 95 and 44. It's up 1%, 1.12%. So there was a big call sitting in. I think I had a post here for our premium folks. I just want to cover UTX. So there was call volume yesterday. We have to check for the 9th. UTX, look here. I made a mistake. Yeah, watch it. There are call 94.5 calls volume here. Call showing 11,000 contracts, and then here I said UTX. I took a few calls. So this is the today. So I have today. I'm holding a few calls. Yeah, not too many, but I'm going to look at this one how it plays out today. The calls are sitting in the open interest for the weekly. So it will be interesting to see how it displays out. In terms of the market, completely range bound. It's almost impossible for anyone to get all this range bound move to the accuracy. Although we are playing day to day, I have not shorted here till here. Not shorting till as long as it holds around here. I will play day to day support resistance and options flow here. So we have to see there is a heavy double bottom. Although we shorted here at this level, I had a post, you can see double top. We shorted a SPY, many of our members did. Still, market is waiting for the Fed news that's coming up on the interest rate at the end of this month. So it will be interesting to see QQQ. This is double top resistance. I had quite a few posts here. Quite range bound. IWM, it's almost, this is Russell 2000, it took a big hit here. There was big resistance at here. Most of the stocks are down now. It's at some horizontal support here, bit oversold. Let's see again double top. So you have to be careful and trade according to markets and options flow. Thank you for watching. Please share.